Hey everyone, today I am going to do an overview of this portable white noise machine. This thing is super small, it's super cute, love the look of it. See the speaker here, how you run it down here. This is where you charge it. It is literally fits right in my hand. It has great sound to it. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on. You have power, volume, and then a timer. It does have 32 different volume options and 16 different sounds that it does make. It's automatically going to start with the bird. Then you just hit it once to change it. Great. It gives off great noise. It's going to be great to travel with because of the size. It's super portable. It feels very solid and well made. Super excited to be able to use this.